Hey folks, it's Rich Vetstein of the Vetstein Law Group and Title Hub Closing Services and the Massachusetts Real Estate Law Blog. I wanted to talk to you today a little bit about the major case in foreclosures, U.S. Bank versus Ibanez. It's a seminal case coming out of the Massachusetts Supreme Judicial Court, and it has a huge effect upon the foreclosure and REO markets. Essentially what happened in Ibanez is that foreclosing lenders were told that they need to show that they own the mortgage and the note before they foreclosed. What was happening in a lot of these cases with the securitized loan system is that the paperwork on file with the Registry of Deeds wasn't being caught up to date with the actual mortgages, which are being bought and sold several times on Wall Street. And what happened is the lenders would start a foreclosure and then record an assignment several months or years later, and the court said, no, 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 that's not how you do it, and invalidated these foreclosures. Now, this decision has had a ripple effect all across Massachusetts, and for that matter, across the United States. And essentially, it has called into question the entire securitized mortgage lending process, of which there is about $5 billion of loans outstanding. So it has a very huge impact, both here in the Bay State and nationally. Now, what this case underscores is the importance of an owner having title insurance. If you're buying a property out of foreclosure, it is an absolute necessity to have title insurance, because what's happened is all these folks that have bought properties out of foreclosure, and as a result of this case, they don't own their property anymore. The guy who used to own it, who hasn't paid his mortgage, he's the one who owns it. And it was as if the foreclosure never happened. Now, what's going to happen with those people? Well, they're in big trouble. Those who have title insurance, luckily, can go to the title company and say, hey, can you fix this? There's various ways to fix it with paperwork and confirmatory documents. Sometimes they might have to do a re-foreclosure, and sometimes the problem is so bad that the title company has to actually buy the property back from the borrower. That's the worst case scenario. The people without a title insurance policy are literally up the river without a paddle, and they have to figure it out on themselves, hire attorneys like me to try to cure these title defects through a number of different means, track down the old owners, try to get deeds from them, but some of them are long gone, and it's a very difficult situation. Meanwhile, they can't refinance their properties and they can't sell it. It's a major issue, obviously, and it's causing a lot of distress to a lot of homeowners across the Commonwealth of Massachusetts. So, word to the wise is, get owner's title insurance. It's not that expensive. For a $500,000 purchase, it'll run you about $2,000. One-time premium. It pays for itself over the life of the property. And in this day and age, with the robo-signing and the foreclosure mess, it's an absolute necessity. If you have any questions regarding title insurance or the Ibanez case, feel free to contact us at info@titlehub.com or check out our blog at www.mass Real Estate Law Blog. And thanks for tuning in.